Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make uterus lining thicker naturally. A healthy uterine lining, often called the endometrium, is crucial for successful conception and early pregnancy. We will explore several effective, research-backed strategies you can implement right away. These methods focus on improving blood flow and providing essential nutrients to support endometrial growth. Understanding these steps empowers you to optimize your reproductive health journey. Let's start with a foundational element: proper nutrition. Nourishing your body with specific foods can significantly support uterine lining thickness. Focus on a diet rich in whole grains, leafy greens, and lean proteins. Foods high in iron, like spinach and lentils, are essential for healthy blood production, which directly benefits the endometrium. Additionally, incorporating healthy fats from avocados, nuts, and seeds can improve hormonal balance. Vitamin E, found in almonds and sunflower seeds, is also known to enhance blood flow to the uterus, playing a vital role in its development. Improving blood flow to the uterus is paramount for thickening the lining, as blood carries vital nutrients and oxygen. Regular, moderate exercise, like brisk walking or cycling for 30 minutes most days of the week, can significantly enhance circulation. Gentle yoga or pelvic floor exercises are also beneficial, as they target the pelvic region directly. Avoid overly strenuous exercise, which can sometimes divert blood flow away from the reproductive organs. Consistency in these activities will yield the best results over time. Lifestyle choices profoundly impact your reproductive health, including uterine lining thickness. Chronic stress can negatively affect hormonal balance, hindering endometrial growth. Practicing mindfulness, meditation, or deep breathing exercises for 10 to 15 minutes daily can reduce stress levels. Ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night is also crucial for hormone regulation and overall well-being. Furthermore, minimizing exposure to environmental toxins by choosing organic foods and natural personal care products supports a healthier internal environment. Proper hydration is often overlooked, but plays a fundamental role in maintaining healthy tissues throughout the body, including the uterine lining. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water, each 8 ounces, daily to ensure optimal cellular function and nutrient transport. Certain supplements, such as L-arginine, may help by improving blood vessel dilation and increasing uterine blood flow. However, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplements to ensure they are appropriate for your individual needs. They can provide personalized guidance for your journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.